Hey, what's up, Social Cam? This your girl, Sunny Gay. Well, I'm hosting the Red Fest today at the African World Fest down at Charles H. Wright Museum. So what better mood to get in, to celebrate the occasion. Of course, I'm dressed in my, reggae African attire. Got my music jamming to the joint on XM radio. So, and the song is titled One Love. That's what it says on my shirt, One Love. So, I try to dress for the occasion. I'm excited about the Red Fest. It's going down. I can't wait to hear all the awesome artists that we will be participating. We got the Dream Cruise going on Woodward. This is just a hot weekend. You got BRL going on. Kent Jones, Kiki Sheard in concert tonight. It's just a happening place to be here in the city. So I'm loving it. But I'm rocking my African. I'm feeling like I'm on the islands or something, So I'm already high, because I'm high in Jesus. You know how I do it. So I want to send a word out to you. Enjoy your Saturday and, keep it reggae. In Jesus. Peace out.